If you want to change the color of a logo in Photoshop quickly and cleanly, this is the easiest method to use. In this video, I'll show you how to change logo color in Photoshop using Color Overlay, which works especially well when your logo is on a transparent background, like a PNG file. This is a great trick for branding, mockups, social media graphics, and client work, because you can switch colors in just a few clicks without redrawing anything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your logo file in Photoshop. For the best results, use a logo that is already isolated on a transparent background. That means the logo should be sitting on a plain transparent canvas, not on top of a busy background image. A PNG file is usually the best option for this because it often keeps the transparency intact. Once your file is open, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where Photoshop keeps track of every layer in your project. Find your logo layer, then double-click the empty gray area right next to the layer name. Make sure you do not double-click directly on the text itself, because if you click the name, Photoshop may just try to rename the layer instead of opening the layer styles. After you double-click the gray space, the Layer Style window will appear. This window gives you a list of different effects that you can apply to the layer. On the left-hand side, look for Color Overlay. Click directly on the words Color Overlay, and Photoshop will automatically check the box and open the settings for that effect. Now you're ready to choose your new color. Find the color box next to the Blend Mode option and click it. A color picker will pop up, and from here, you can select any color you want. You can choose a brand color, a darker tone, a lighter tone, or even test a few options until the logo matches your design perfectly. Once you've picked your color, click OK in the color picker to confirm it. Then click OK again in the main Layer Style window to apply the change. As soon as you do that, your logo color will update instantly. The best part about this method is that it stays editable, so if you want to change the color again later, you can just repeat the same process and choose a different shade. It's fast, non-destructive, and ideal for anyone who works with logos regularly. And that's it! You now know how to change logo color in Photoshop using Color Overlay. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.